Welcome back to NK channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and press the notification button so that whenever I'm on, you guys gonna know I'm on, so that you guys can come and cook with me. Today I'm gonna make a pepper soup with towel meat. This is the towel meat. This one is scent leaf. This one is onions. This one is yellow pepper. This one is bell pepper. This one is Maggi. So today I'm not gonna use too much ingredients on it, because I just wanna test the village pepper soup. Like a lot of scent leaf on it, you know, the aroma of scent leaf, I miss it a lot. So I wanna test it again, like real aroma of scent leaf, and you know, is good. You can easily drink, you can use it to eat rice, the pepper soup, or you can use it to, you know, just drink it, you know. It's good. So keep watching. So now I just want to start cooking the towel meat. This towel meat, I'm just gonna cook it like 20 minutes, because it's not like hard towel like that. It's like soft. So I'm just gonna put onions right now, and the yellow pepper right now, and the Maggi. I'm just gonna be cooking. I will put the bell pepper and the scent leaf last. So now I'm gonna put the bell pepper. After putting the bell pepper, I was just gonna cook for like 2 minutes and put the scent leaf. The scent leaf. After the scent leaf, everything is done. So I will cook it like 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Then I'll show you guys how it looks like. As you can see, it's done. It's ready to eat. You guys can see I'm done making my pepper soup. You guys can see the outcome of it. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button to NK's channel. Woo, it's super hot. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys with the love of God. Mwah.